taking you this time to the land down under, the country where the city, the beaches, the forests, and the mountains are just wee hours apart. And we're gonna tell you where and how to get the most Instagram-worthy shots to document either for personal treasure or social media. In Sydney, get the best angle of the iconic Opera House by going to the Sydney Harbour and not directly near the compound. To be exact, the back of the Park Hyatt Sydney at the Rocks is where you'll get the perfect Sydney Opera House backdrop. You can also capture its beauty when you ride the ferry to Manly Beach at the nearby Circular Quay. When you get to Manly, head to the beautiful Surfers Paradise and get your cameras ready to take photos and videos by the beach. You can also do that at the world-class Bondi Beach.
Hello! So we're here at Bondi now, and ibang level yung calmness and peacefulness na mararamdaman mo kapag pumilata ka lang sa beach buong araw. Buhangin, ang waves pa lang, solve ka na sa Bondi. Actually, hindi nakapantay itong tan ko pero okay lang sa akin.
The people sunbathing and having a good time, part of the charm. Do check out the Bondi Icebergs Club nearby and have a drink while snapping the view of the beautiful tidal pool and Bondi waves crashing. It is also a must to head out to the city and go to the Royal National Park where the Watamola Beach and Lagoon is.
I'm here at the beautiful Watamola Beach where Prince William also jumped in this cliff, also Harry Styles.
Check out the kids jumping off the cliff. Trek a bit to the beach where you'll see beautiful rock formation too and get that perfect shot.
So impressed with the rock formations here at Watamola Beach, and it's not as crowded as the other beaches here in Australia, so this is definitely a must to visit.
A trip to Sydney would not be complete if you won't have a selfie with their cutest animals. The koala and kangaroo.
It can be intimidating, but it's therapeutic. They're friends now.
Suggestion is to do that at the Featherdale Zoo. And cap off your memory card by checking out the glorious Blue Mountain. There's a pathway with a bit of trekking just beside the tourist store to get a better angle of it. Cheers! We want to thank our local Aussie friends Ryan, Bona, Ramil, Michelle, and their families for taking us around and making us feel like locals everywhere we went. Shout out to Canon for the beautiful shots and flight pack for our web connection.
If you enjoyed this video, please show some love and like, share, and subscribe.
That's it for the places you should Instagram in Sydney. Next up is the state of Victoria, where Melbourne and the Great Ocean Road is. I'm MJ Marfori. Thanks so much for joining Until next time.